Hi, welcome to Jules Bar. Today we're gonna mix a moon cocktail. So the moon cocktail is another cocktail by Def & Co. This time the author is Thomas Vaux. I don't know how to pronounce that surname. Anyway, it was created in 2008. It features gin, sherry, honey and peach, and let's mix it. So I'm gonna make some adjustment, just a tiny adjustment actually, to this recipe, because I'm not gonna use crème de pêche, the peach liqueur, most famous of which will be the peach tree. I hate profoundly the peach tree and I got rid of it. I had it, I mixed once the Sex on the Beach, and I just gave it out as a present to somebody that could enjoy it more. I really hated the stuff. So today instead I'm gonna use this peach and hop bitters by Ferdinand, and we're gonna need 1 teaspoon, so let me quickly make up 1 teaspoon worth of drops. And then, because I used bitters instead of a crème de pêche, which would be sweet, I'm gonna adjust the amount of honey syrup. Normally this cocktail costs from 7.5 milliliter or 1/4 of an ounce of honey syrup, 3 to 1, 3 parts honey, 1 part water. I'm gonna use 10 milliliters. But that's gonna be the only adjustment I'm gonna make to the recipe. Then I'm gonna go forward with the prescribed 22.5 milliliter or 3/4 of an ounce of Amontillado sherry. This is a really good Amontillado. It's been some time, it's open, but it's always been in the fridge, and I actually tasted before. Yeah, I mean, it's not perfect, but it's okay for the cocktail. And then we finish with 60 milliliter of dry gin. I'm using this Stranger & Sons from India. It's a pretty good gin. What I wanted is just like a standard gin with not too much juniper presence. A Tanqueray wouldn't be great in this context, but pretty much anything that's smooth and not too strong of a juniper should be fine. Let's add some ice to this mixing glass, and let's give this bad boy a stir. I would like to file a complaint against the Moon lobby, Big Moon, the Moon Corporation. But more about my moon complaints after the credits. Now let's just strain this in a chill cup. There you go. Nice golden color. And we can finish by expressing some lemon peel. I don't have the greatest lemon, but I managed to get this small slice, and there you go, a moon cocktail. Cheers. This is excellent. Love the honey syrup, love what the peach does in combination with the Amontillado sherry. Great combo, tastes really good. I'm really happy using these peach bitters instead of using the crème de pêche, which I don't know, I'm not happy with it. If one day I'm gonna find a really good peach brandy, okay, I'm gonna try to use it, but until now it's not just that I tried the peach tree, I tried other peach liqueurs and none of them were satisfying. They all have this fake feeling to them, like a synthesized flavor. These peach bitters do a good job in being peachy but restrained in their peachiness. It sounds weird, but it's like that. And just a great cocktail. Def & Co hits it out of a ballpark again. Love the honey syrup. When I'm developing a new recipe myself, I use honey syrup a lot because I like the extra layer of flavor. It's not just sugar, it's sugar plus something else that's good. Of course, you can elaborate on the type of honey you use and stuff. I love honey syrup, and I think this is a really good cocktail, really well done, balanced, not too dry, nice use of Amontillado, which is a good sherry. Of course, depending on the quality of your sherry, your cocktail might change. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, comment down below, share with anybody you like and don't like, steer yourself another gin-based cocktail, and hopefully I will see you next time. Cheers. So, my issue with the moon is not with the moon itself, but with people pushing the moon over me. Why every week or so people tell us, oh, look at the sky, there is the huge moon. Oh, look at the sky, there is a red moon. Oh, now it's a blue moon. Who cares? Let me enjoy my moon anytime I want. When I'm walking outside, there is a clear sky or there is a cloudy sky, but I see the moon. I say, oh, look, it's amazing. We have a freaking moon in this Earth system. It's beautiful. Can I just enjoy it whenever I want? Not having people to tell me, oh no, tonight go out and see the moon because it's bigger like this much. I'm not even gonna notice it, and when it's gonna be cloudy, I'm gonna be disappointed. No, don't push the moon over me. I'm gonna go and get the moon every time I feel like it. I feel one with the universe when I feel like it. If it's a full moon, if it's a quarter moon, if there is no moon, I'm gonna be like, oh, creepy. Let me enjoy my moon when I want it.